Hello guys, my name is Omid and welcome to my another tutorial videos about React. In this tutorial we are going to learn what is a state and how can we use it in React programming. If it's your first time you watch my videos, please before everything watch my previous tutorials about React Basic and then continue watching this tutorial about a state. In a short explanation of a state in React, we can say that in fact each component has a state, and a state is an object with values. States determine a component's rendering and behavior, and it is used when a component needs to change independently of its parent. And totally we can say that components with the state have more complexity. Let's see a state in action. We go to our project folder and src folder and edit app.js file with Visual Studio Code. And if you don't know how to install React on your computer, you can watch my previous tutorials about React. But now about the states, I want to show you what's in our output. It's a page that shows our example. Our example is about a book. A book can have some properties like title and, for example, publisher name. Here, in the first state, in the first situation, our book title is first state of book title is title 1, and about publisher name. By default, we have publisher name 1. But after clicking on this button, change book title state, it changes to title 2 and name 2. But how can we do it using states? Now we go to Visual Studio Code and consider this syntax. Okay, in app.js, first of all, we define our states with this syntax, as you can see. Okay, we need a constructor, props, super props for initializing the first values to our states. For example, for book title and publisher name, we added title 1 and name 1. And here, with this method handle click, we defined that after clicking or after changing the component states, it will be title 2 and publisher name 2. But we need defining components. Here we define our components. One of them is a class-based component. Its name is book and it returns book title, and we defined this component because it's a kind of class like this dot props dot book title. Okay, and we have another component is a kind of function that we define this component with props and use this one, props dot publisher name. It returns publisher name. We have totally two components, publisher and another one, book. Okay, now here in our class name app, in this div we call them. For book title we use this syntax, book title equals this dot state dot book title. It means that first of all shows the first state of our book title, and also for publisher the first state of our publisher name that we have defined by this syntax, by this constructor. Okay, and then by clicking that button, this code will run and the state will change. If we care and pay attention to this section, handle click, with handle click the states will set to a new value. Okay, and then by clicking this button, you can see that our value change, and actually we can say that states of our book and publisher changed quickly. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestion regarding this tutorial, please inform me. Thank you. Goodbye.